Hey, it's your 31 girl here, Melissa, and we are going to be unboxing today the Hello Happy box for the month of March. This is one of my favorite things that we have because it's so fun and unique, and you can get these for yourself, or these are a great way to send a little happy mail to someone who might be a little down, or it's their birthday and you want to get them something special. So this is it's not a monthly subscription, but it is a monthly box, so you can get it every month. You just go onto the website, you find Hello Happy, and you can ship it to whoever and wherever you want to, or to your own front doorstep. Each month there's a different theme and a different color scheme to it. So this month we have the deep teal color, and our theme this month is journey. I know a lot of us are going to be ready to go on a journey in a little bit. So when you open it up, it comes in this super cute box, and here is what the inside looks like. So it's wrapped really nice. And then you get 2 to 3 products, and it costs $31. This month's is valued at $50. So the first card that it has in here, it says, "A journey is best measured in friends rather than miles. Enjoy the ride." And then the other one, it's just got Hello Happy on one side, and the other one says, "Life is measured in experiences, not miles. Trust the process, embrace the peace, enjoy the journey." The theme is journey, so they are also products that you might take on a journey. So the first product that we have, and one of our most beloved items that we've had in our catalog, but you can no longer get in the catalog, they brought it back for this box in this exclusive print. And this is the thermal styling sleeve. So it is great for putting a curling wand or a straightening iron in. It's got a thermal pocket, but it's also great just for keeping things hot or cold. So this is great during the summer for like Go-Gurts or cheese sticks or popsicles or something that you want to take with you quick to a park, but you know that it's going to melt or get warm by the time you get there. So that is another great use for this. So if you're not going on a vacation, you could just use this on your day-to-day life as well. And then the next item in here is the mini beauty case. Keys, cosmetics, and life's other little valuables protected and organized for every trip. So here's what it is. I'm going to get some lipsticks to put in here so you guys can see how big it is and how many would fit in here. But it would also be great for just anything that you're traveling with or popping in your purse. It would be great for like headphones and cords or essential oils, medicine. So anything that you need to travel with that you don't want to have to dig in the bottom of a bag or purse for, this would be great. So I've got some ColourPop lippy sticks, but then I've also got some of the Sephora lipsticks so you can see the size. So you can fit a good amount in there, but it's not so big that it's going to be bulky in your bag or your purse. And this is probably how many lipsticks I carry around in my purse on a day-to-day basis, but can never find them because they're at the bottom of the bag. So I just need to start carrying them around in this. And then the last product in here is the Adventure Ready luggage tag. It says you'll always be ready to roll away with this handy buckle strap luggage tag. So it's just a really classy luggage tag. It says ready for adventure, and it's a nice vegan leather material. And then you've got where you put your information there on the back, and it's got a buckle to it, so it's going to stay latched onto your luggage. So that's everything in March's Hello Happy box. You have a little under a week left to pick that up. So if you want to get it, you are going to want to be sure to get it soon. I will put a link in the description box where you can pick that up at. And I would love for y'all to comment, where are you ready to take a journey to? I would love to know where we're all going once all of this is over. So put that in the comments down below. We can share our different destinations that we are excited to go for. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.